331 BC, northern Iraq. The greatest general who ever lived is standing on a battlefield he personally chose. Darius has 100,000 soldiers. Alexander has a plan for every single one of them. But today, something is wrong with the sky. A sound, not thunder, too steady, too mechanical. Then a shape appears, something the ancient world has absolutely no word for. An F-16 fighter jet, built to destroy entire armies from distances no human eye can measure. Alexander the Great has never lost a single battle. He is about to face something that has never lost either. The F-16 flies at 1,500 miles per hour. It carries precision missiles that lock onto targets and find them on their own. It can a 20mm cannon that fires 6,000 rounds per minute from over a mile away. And nothing on the ground, no arrow, no javelin, no catapult can reach it. Now, Alexander's army. Let's be clear about something. This is not a scared, disorganized mob. This is the finest army the ancient world ever built. 47,000 soldiers. The Macedonian phalanx, 16 men deep, spears locked together, is essentially a wall of iron that nothing has ever broken from the front. These men have marched for 3 years without losing once. Discipline, courage, genius at the top. What they don't have is a way to fight something they cannot reach. The jet drops from the ridge and the first missile launches. On Alexander's side, the Cretan archers tilt their heads, trying to place the sound. The missile crosses the distance in under 10 seconds and hits the companion cavalry, Alexander's most elite unit, the one he personally rides with. The explosion is unlike anything that has ever happened on any battlefield ever. Each strike teaches the same lesson. Distance doesn't protect you. Formation doesn't protect you. The thing in the sky decides where death lands. Then the cannon opens up. 625 rounds per minute. Methodical, moving across every pocket of men still trying to hold together. Alexander is still trying, riding toward it, away from it, trying to flank from the right, doing everything correctly, everything he knows how to do. His officers drag him back. It is possibly the first time in Alexander the Great's life Alexander has been pulled away from anything. By mid-morning, it's over. Alexander survives, but Persia doesn't fall. Babylon doesn't open its gates. The world that history recorded never happens. The historians who should have written about Alexander's greatest victory will instead write about a battle where a demon fell from the sky. They will not agree what it looked like. They never do.